Hi all, my name is Ashish Khare and again I'm welcoming you all to my YouTube channel. So, uh, the energy towards me, which is collected by one secret book. So, I would like to share my experience again with you all. So, if you are not thinking in right manner, in right time, so it will be very difficult to get success or, in life, right? So I would like to point out few things which if we follow in our daily life then we can be succeed, right? So the main thing is goal. We should have proper goal in front of us. So think in the broader perspective. Think in the broader perspective what you want to achieve in your whole life, because life comes in come to you only once, right? And you don't know when will you die. So live in the present but think big, because and live every moment of your life. That is more important. If you don't live your life in your present moment, then in the future you don't know the future, right? So you can think and visualize. So it will be easy to your subconscious mind to achieve that one, right? So the goal is more important. Think create the broader prospective goal. The second thing, uh, happy with your small successes in the daily life. Maybe you can get success. So the small success if you are getting in the daily life, then it is very good, and you should enjoy your whole success in a day. And you can make a goal sheet what you want to achieve in life, and visualize for some time. Visualize is nothing but if you are adding some emotions in that, right? So it will be day by day. If you do the same, uh, it will be become your reality, and it will be easy for the mind to get that one. So this is very important. And yeah, action. You have maintained your goal sheet, right? And if you are not doing some actions to get that one, get take that thing done, so again it will be a horrible for that mind. So you can take the action at right time, right moment, to achieve that one, that goal, right? So this is a very important thing. So and the most one more thing I wanted to share with you all is uh, whatever the surrounding to you, be with good people. Don't spend time with narrow-minded people. So it will be not good, which I think. So yeah, be the relation with positive people, because if you think positive, if you live positive, then everything will be positive. So live in the positive surrounding areas, environment, feel positive, uh, remove your negativity, all the negativity from your inside. So if you think positive, do positive, then everything will be positive, right? So there is one quote also: think big, do big. This is also one quote. So this all thing you apply. If you apply in your daily routine, then it will be um, I mean day by day. If you do the same, then it will be easy to crack. Brain will crack everything, right? So yeah, again, imagination. Imagine your goals. So it will be good. And yeah, this is all all things which is coming to me towards one secret book, which if you follow, then maybe your thought process will change. So this is nothing but we want to change our thought process. So it will be, if our thoughts are very pure and good, then success is very near to us, right? So yeah, so bye all. Be positive, think positive. Bye bye.